Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. Today I want to share with you my experience of using the OmniShaver Shave Butter. This was sent to me by OmniShave, as was the OmniShave Premium Shaving Blade. But we're going to review that next week. OmniShave's shave butter comes in the 6-ounce plastic container with a pretty standard pump dispenser. Now the scent of this is a tea tree, so if you don't like that scent, you may not like this because it is a pretty powerful scent. I personally would like to see them have a little bit of mint or spearmint mixed in with it, and I think that would be a great scent, as well as kind of give that nice little tingle while you shave. The ingredients in this are pretty standard for any type of moisturizer, which is basically what this is. In fact, I've used it a couple of times just to moisturize my head when I got in from the sun. Because of that, honestly, most of the ingredients I don't dare read out loud, so I'm just gonna put them right up here for you guys for a little bit so you guys can read through them yourself. A couple of nice things that I do like about this is that it is non-GMO, so it doesn't have any of that junk in it. And it's also not tested on animals. That means poor little Fifi is not getting tested on, which is always a bonus. My experience using the shave butter over the period of time that I did is that I noticed that it works very nicely for lubrication on hairs that are about 1 to 3 days old. From there, it still does a good job of lubricating. However, it didn't seem to want to lift the hairs up at all to be able to get that really nice, super close shave on the first pass. So I did end up having to re-lube my head with this and re-go over it with the OmniShaver or whatever blade that I happen to be using it with that day. I also found out that it sticks pretty darn good even to very short hair, so you're not going to end up having to reapply it halfway through shaving or anything, because it's still just going to be stuck to your head until you go over it with a razor. And in case you're wondering, no, it does not lather, which to me is definitely a good thing. I don't want a head shaving soap or butter that lathers, because to me it just doesn't make sense, because usually your hair is nice and short anyway, so it doesn't really need to have that super extra hair lifting capability. Now, if you're not like me and you don't shave in the shower, one nice thing about this is that you don't have to rinse it off, because as I stated earlier, it's basically a moisturizer, which means all you gotta do is wipe off the excess and you're good to go for the day. Now overall, I think this is a pretty good product. It does what it's supposed to do, and there's not much else to really say about it. It's nothing super special. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's nothing new and inventive. For the $10, it's a pretty darn good deal. If you want to pick yourself up a bottle of this OmniShave Shave Butter, make sure to check out the links down below. And of course, if you want to see my review of the OmniShaver itself, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you're notified when I put out a new video every week. And until next time, I hope you have a good one.